Now, let's add a little excitement to our evening with some fun games and surprises. So, are you ready to get some prizes to win? Okay, gusto ko natin makilala ng gusto ang ating debutant. So, what are we going to do is I'm going to ask you personal questions and you're going to answer it kung tama. We will give them a prize. Alright? Okay. So, ano po ang favorite na food ng ating debutant? Who knows that?
Oh.
You can guess. Favorite food? Yon, nandito. Sa table number 11. So, what's the favorite food? Burger steak. Burger steak! Is that correct? Malapit na! Who else? Who can guess? Alright, si Tita. Tita, what's your guess?
Gusto niya quick.
Quick! Who else? Come on, guys! Is that a hard question? Okay. I have it here. What's our favorite food? Fried chicken? Malapit na! Ayun, nandito. Sa table number 10. What is it, Tita? Come on. Sisig? Sisig? Malapit na talaga. Ayun! Alright. Tita, puntahan ko muna sa table number 6. Sige po, what is it? Lechong manok? Teka lang. Medyo nahihirapan sila sa favorite food mo. Kaya pahuhulaan natin. Oh. Manok ba to? Manok. Matamis ba to? O, extra mo yung matamis. Maasim ba to? Yes daw! Maasim! Ano? Tama ba no? Malapit na! Ano ba si Tita? Ano ba no? Hindi ka? Pwede ba? Sino ba no?
Sinasayang sa mga.
Where's our prize, Tita Nen? Ayan! Congratulations! Alright, grabe! Pinahirapan mo sila doon. Nahirapan sila. Next question. What is the real birthday of our debutant? Ayan! Table number 1. February 1. February 1, 2006. Okay, yeah? 2011? Alright! Thank you so much! Congratulations! Okay, next! What is the favorite? Parang ang dali nitong next question. Dahil madali yung next question, kailangan sumayaw papalapit dito yung sasagot. Okay ba? Okay ba? Alright. Okay. Ready? So, favorite car. Come on. Kailangan sumayaw kayo papunta dito. Come on. Sayaw na. Come on down. Come on. Sayaw na. Okay, what's the favorite color? Pink. Lavender. Blue. So, tama ba? color. Who else? Come on, you need to dance. Going here. Come on down. Sino pa po? Come on, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Come on, table number 11. Come on, 10. Oh, table number 2. Wala ba? Mahirap? Is it hard? Come on! Woo! Woo! Tingnan ko si answer. Purple. Yes! Woo! Next color. Oh, next question. Ito na. Medyo mahirap to. What is her favorite hobby? Hobby. Ganun ulit. Sasayaw ulit. Woo! Parang ka-model. Woo! Favorite hobby. Come on. Drawing. Yes! Thank you. Ready? The chocolate. Ayun. Okay, so when I grew up, I want to be blank. What's the answer? What's your ambition? Come on, guys. Alam niyo yan. Mga cousins. Okay. Ayan, sasayaw. Sasayaw.
You want to be a multimedia artist. Multimedia artist.
Pakilala namin yan! Woo! Ang galing! And the last question. I think this is hard. Okay, pag-isipan ko natin ang gusto ha. Kasi sabi ni Tita Ned, trip to Hong Kong daw ang mananalo. Okay, what's her favorite expression? Do you know? What's her favorite expression? Come on, guys! Woo! Say it ulit! Come on! Come on! Sino ba? Come on! Ano expression niya? Kenzo, ano ang favorite expression? Ano yun? Come here, come on down! Ba't nasa'yo? Tama ba? Tama? Hindi na? Pwede na? Yeah? Oh, bigyan ng jacket yan! Woo! Yeah! Okay, tatawagin natin lahat ng mga may jacket dyan. Come on down for your picture taking. Woo! Picture